AC Milan's Ruben Loftus-Cheek suffers broken teeth and severe trauma from goalkeeper collision. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new and press the like button to support us. Welcome. AC Milan's Ruben Loftus-Cheek is in hospital recovering after a brutal collision with Edoardo Corvi in a 1-0 defeat to Parma. The English midfielder only lasted 10 minutes of the Serie A clash as Corvi rushed out to contend for a cross and hit the side of Loftus-Cheek's head with the top of his. There were concerning scenes as he had to be put in a neck brace on a stretcher with blood visible on his face. The good news is that Milan have confirmed Loftus-Cheek stayed conscious throughout the trauma. However, his season could be in jeopardy with a fractured jaw. He not only had severe head trauma, as per reports, but he also lost teeth due to the force of the impact.